So, Mr. Sarthak, question number 4b. Divide, find the quotient and remainder, and then verify your result. So, you have to do two steps. You have to first divide, and then you have to use the division algorithm. So, just check whether I am copying the question correctly or not. It is 2x cube minus 11x square minus 2x plus 2. Is it correct?
So just segment check. Yes, sir.
So, do you remember the division algorithm?
Yes, sir.
So, this is the division algorithm. 9 is equal to, this is the simplest example. You can have your own example. Usually, this is the example that I use. So, this is the division algorithm. So, basically, what it says is that whenever you want to check your answer or whenever you want to prove, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, this is your remainder, and this is your quotient. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So, my dividend dividend should be equal to my divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Are we okay with this part, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
So you can check all your division questions using this algorithm. Okay, now let us focus on this part. So what do you suggest? We have to eliminate this using this. What should I write here?
Multiplied by x square.
Shabash. So this would be x square. Now what you need to remember is, and where usually when we start learning we make mistake, is that this x square has to be multiplied by both the terms, both the terms of the divisor. So x square would be multiplied by 1 also. So this would be plus x square. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Always leave a space before drawing the line, then change the sign of the new term that you have generated. Now this will get eliminated. This is minus 11x square, this is minus x square, this is minus 12x square, and this is minus 2x. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now as a next step, I have to eliminate this term using this term. So what do you suggest? What should I do?
Uh, into 6 x
Sorry.
into minus 6x.
Minus 6x. Okay. So minus 6x into 2x and minus 6x into 1. Remember to include this negative sign also when you are doing the subtraction. Have you understood what I have said?
Yes, sir.
Don't forget this. This has to be remembered. Usually when we start doing this division, these are the small mistakes that all of us do. So minus 6x into 2x is minus 12x square. And minus 6x into plus 1 is minus 6x. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
I have left some space so that I can change the sign of both the terms. Remember to change the sign of both the terms. These two will cancel. Minus 2x plus 6x. This would be 4x. And this 2 will come down. Are we okay till here, Sarthak?
Yes.
What should I do next?
Into 2.
Yeah, I need to eliminate this using this. So I'll be using 2 again and again. The same step will repeat itself again and again. Use 2 to eliminate the first term. Then multiply 2 with both the terms of the divisor. So this would be 4x plus 2. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Again, I have left some space so that I can change the sign of the new term that I have generated. Incidentally, both of them will cancel. So my remainder is 0. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So where did you make a mistake?
I somehow wrote x instead of x square. I wrote 11x square. Some.
See, Mr. Sarthak, this division of polynomial, you have to do it very neatly, and you have to go very slow when you are starting the process. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Once you get some experience, then of course you can do it quickly. But in the initial 10 to 15 sums, because the issue is that this division of polynomial, this would be used in 8th class, would be used in 9th class, 10th class. Actually, it is also used in 11th class also. So this is a 11th and 12th also. So this would be used in the at least 5 classes. Any doubt in there?
No, sir.
So it is important that you understand this well. If you take maths in 11th and 12th, again division of polynomials will come. Now, see, there is another thing that I wanted to share. This is known as the long division. Once you have practiced this long division, there is another method which is used for this, which is called the synthetic division. Synthetic division. Uh, Once you are proficient with this long division, once you are okay with long division, I'll tell you how to do the synthetic division also. So in the beginning, 10 to 15 questions, just go slow. And now if I have to check the whether this division algorithm is working correctly or not, now can you tell me what should I write?
Uh, it will be 2x cube minus 11x square minus 2x plus 2 equals to 2x plus 1 into x square minus 6x plus 2. Uh,
Shabash,
the remainder that is 0.
shabash. Very nice. What is the remainder?
0.
Shabash. Whatever be the remainder, it can be positive, it can be negative, it can be 0, whatever be the remainder, don't worry. Just write it here. Have you understood?
Yes.
I'm sorry, this should be multiplied. This should be multiplied. So this should be multiplied. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you will write this first. And then of course you'll have to verify. How will you verify? In this case it is simple because I just need to multiply these two terms. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now in the same page I will try to make some space. And we will do the multiplication here. Uh, 1 second. Yeah. So we will multiply these two because this term is 0. So when we multiply these two terms, this should be the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So let me multiply these two terms here. 2x plus 1 into x square minus 6x plus 2. So this would be multiplied by this. This would be multiplied by this. This would be multiplied by this. Then this will be multiplied by this. this would be multiplied by this, and this would be multiplied by this. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
See, Mr. Sarthak, these are difficult questions, so it is always advisable that try to go slow. Don't rush the things. So 2x plus 2x into x square is 2x cube. 2x into minus 6x is minus 12x square. 2x into plus 2 is plus 4x. Plus 1 into x square is plus x square. Because this is 1, this will repeat. Minus 6x plus 2. I need to add these two. So this is 2x cube minus 11x square minus 2x plus 2. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is the answer okay? Let me check this with this. So 2x cube minus 11x square minus 2x plus 2. So both are correct. So my LHS is equal to RHS, and hence my answer is correct. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak,
But
any doubt?
yes, in this, why did we add x square minus 6x plus 2 and 2x cube minus 12x square plus 4x?
Okay. Why did we add? This is a step where you have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
See, let me take a simple example so that see, let me multiply x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. This is the pretty simple example. Now, how I do this is I take this, I multiply by this. I take this, I multiply with this. I take this, I multiply by this. Then I take this, I multiply by this. I take this, I multiply by this. I take this, I multiply by this. Have you understood till here?
Yes,
So if I do the first process, that will be equal to x cube plus x square plus x. Have you understood?
yes, sir.
Now, when I do the second process, it would be x square plus x plus 1. Have you understood?
Yes, I understand.
Now, in this question, if you look carefully, I have followed the same algorithm. But just to make things easy, what I did was I wrote this x square plus x plus 1 like this. X square plus x plus 1. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So that is why I wrote it in two steps so that when I am adding the two polynomials, it becomes easy. Otherwise, it is the same thing that I'm doing. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So if you write it like this, it sort of becomes a bit easier. So this would be x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus plus 1. Is it making sense now?
Yes, sir.
See, you are doing algebra now. And from class ninth, I think you will start trigonometry. I think in CBSE also they put it in class ninth, if I remember correctly. In ICSE syllabus, they start in they start trigonometry in class ninth. I'm not very sure about CBSE, but anyways, now these two, algebra and trigonometry, they will form calculus, which you will get in class 11th and 12th. Now, one of the biggest challenges that students face when they start doing calculus in 11th and 12th is that their algebra fundamentals are not in place. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So this is whatever we are doing now is the heart of algebra. And if you understand this well and if you practice this well, when you reach this stage, you won't face any difficulty. Otherwise, it will become very difficult. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Anything you want to discuss?
No, sir.
This division algorithm again. This division algorithm is a separate chapter in class 10th. Again, I am having a doubt whether it is in class 9th or 10th, but this division algorithm will come again separately. So that is why you need to understand this would be a separate topic. This would be a separate topic. And this will be used in, yeah, this will be used in class 9th and 10th as well. In CBSE, yes, it is used twice, 9th and 10th. And of course, when you go to 11th, 12th, again, this will be used. So, any doubt at any step and on any of the topics that we have discussed?
No, sir.
Okay. So, fine. So, we have done this. Okay. Now you can do part C and D. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.